Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to fix TikTok missing eye icon. To start, open your application store in your mobile device. On your app store, use the search bar and then search for TikTok. Once done typing, look for TikTok. Then tap on it. In here, if the button says update your TikTok application. Go ahead and update your TikTok if it's not yet updated. Once done, close your application store. Now, open and locate your TikTok application in your mobile device. Now, tap on your profile on the bottom right. In here, tap on the 3 horizontal lines on the upper right. And then, once you do that, a pop-up will appear, then click on Settings and Privacy. Once on Settings and Privacy, click on Report a Problem. Now tap on the paper icon on the upper right, this one over here. Then, scroll down and then click on Submit a Report. Now, click on Report an Account. You can find this after clicking on How to Report. It's a drop-down and then we'll show you options. Once you do that, this window will appear. It says Report a Problem. In this box over here, all you have to do is to describe the problem that you have with your TikTok application. Go ahead, take your time in typing. Or you could wait for me to finish typing and then you can copy what I'm writing here on my screen. Once done, click on the Submit button on the bottom corner. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.